1, 2, 3.
Watermelon Popsicles! Cheers! If you're still buying popsicles at the grocery store, you're doing it all wrong.
Have to make them.
Here's my 3-ingredient Watermelon Popsicles. Hey guys, it's Lindsay.
And Kinsley.
Good job. And today we're making the easiest recipe you are gonna make this summer. It's 3 ingredients for this homemade popsicles, no refined sugar. They're so good. Are they good?
Yeah.
So good. If you haven't made homemade popsicles with your kids yet, I promise it's the easiest thing you'll do this summer. So we start with
a watermelon.
And as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below in the video description. And if you're not already,
go subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the little notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.
The 3 ingredients we need are watermelon, lime, and agave.
Okay, so we start by squeezing a lime into our blender. This is gonna add a little tang to our popsicles. Then for a little sweetness, we're gonna add some agave. Then the star of the show, watermelon. So just scoop out the flesh of a watermelon and add that to your blender. And we're just going to blend this all together until it's nice and smooth.
Then just pour it into a popsicle mold.
And I'll leave a link to this popsicle mold down below. I got it on Amazon. It's really inexpensive and you can do any kind of popsicles in this. We've used it like a million times this summer.
All right, so just add the little sticks to your popsicle mold and we're gonna pop this in the freezer overnight until it's nice and chilled and frozen solid. Look how pretty these turned out. They're absolutely perfect. They're refreshing. They're nice and cold for a hot summer day. Perfect for playing in the pool in the backyard or playing in the sprinklers or just a nice afternoon snack. They're refreshing, full of antioxidants, a little tanginess from the lime, sweetness from the agave. Then they're so easy to make. Watermelon's like the official fruit of summer, so everyone's gonna love these. They're a total crowd pleaser. And if you have any extra, you can literally just drink it as watermelon juice or watermelon punch. Everyone's gonna love it. Then I just put the popsicles into a freezer safe Ziploc bag and store them in the freezer. So whenever we want a popsicle, the kids just run to the freezer and grab one. And they're so much healthier than grocery store popsicles because they don't have any artificial colors, preservatives, or flavorings, and guaranteed your kids are gonna love them.
Okay, how'd they turn out?
So good. Let's do cheers popsicles.
Okay, cheers.
Go share this recipe with someone who would love these.
And if you're not already, go follow me on social media at LindsayAnn. Tag me in a picture if you and your littles recreate this recipe. We'd love to see how they turned out.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you liked this video, go check out all my other videos because you're gonna love those too.
And we'll see you right here next time.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
What's your
Like,
Exactly. Popsicles! Alright guys, go check out our new recipe video. What did we make?
3-ingredient watermelon popsicles.
Oh yeah, how are they?
So good.
So good! Alright guys, go check out our new recipe video. What did we make?
3-ingredient watermelon popsicles.
Oh yeah, how are they?
So good.
So good!